Warning: read and follow all labels in the owner's manual. Let's walk you through how to change the filter on the FILTAIR 215. Cleaning the filter is recommended when the gauge reaches 3 inches and is required at 4 inches. If the gauge reads 4 or more inches after cleaning, it's time to change the filter. Before changing the filter, it is recommended to disconnect power and air from the machine. Turn each filter cabinet lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Lift the filter cabinet cover up and off the machine. Remove the threaded knob and washer from the top of the filter. Set the washer and knob aside in a safe place. Place the opening of the filter disposal bag around the open top of the filter cabinet. Use the supplied magnets to hold the bag in place. Place 2 magnets on each of the 4 sides. Align the end of the filter disposal bag with the top of the filter. Grab the handles on the top of the filter through the bag. Lift the filter up into the bag. Remove the magnets and seal the end of bag. Install new filter. Reinstall washer, threaded knob, and filter cabinet cover. Return cabinet cover locks to the locked position.